Easy, you are worthy of our praise. Oh, you are worthy of our praise. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today, why don't you join me? Let's turn our leftover jollof or boring jollof rice into this beautiful stir fry jollof or assorted jollof. Okay, so you know what? Let's get cooking. So to begin with, I have my leftover jollof rice. Then I'll be adding this seasoned chicken breast. You can choose to use any protein of your choice, okay? And please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, okay? So I'll be adding some oyster sauce, which is optional to it, okay? And then I have my veggies here. I have neatly prepped and some sausages. So let's go. So in my pot, I add some little oil. Then we are gonna cook our chicken so it is white, soft and tender. So now that our chicken is cooked, we add our sausages. Like I said, you can choose to use any protein of your choice. This is what I had available, okay? So now we set our cooked chicken and sausage aside, and then we start with our stir fry. So in the same pot, I add my onions and my beautifully prepped veggies. Just look at how colorful it is. Then I add my mixed veggies also and then stir. Then I add little seasoning to it. So you can use any seasoning of your choice just to give it some beautiful taste and aroma. Okay, so we stir and then we add our boring jollof rice to it. Then we add our protein to it, and then we are gonna stir it so it incorporates into each other. Please note, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It was a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you guys for the massive support. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified, so you can share to your family and friends. Just look at this. So we add some eggs to it, and I'll be sharing up there how I made this brownie fried egg, okay? And voila! We have brought back life into our leftover jollof rice. Sometimes, if you don't know what to do to the leftover jollof rice, just follow the step-by-step procedure and you'll bring back life into it. Enough with the boring jollof rice. Just look at that. Delicious, mouth-watering, finger-licking, healthy, and tastes amazingly great. Yes. If you like this video, why don't you give your girls some thumbs up, like, comments, and please share so your family and friends can also enjoy some goodness on their plates. Thank you guys, and see ya in our next video whilst we enjoy this delicious stir fry jollof, or you can also call it assorted jollof rice. Bye bye.